Another question's come in from Matt. Quick question about Jira to-do items / backlog. I don't think this is going to be a quick question. Do you have any tips or advice between the decision making of having a backlog that's too large compared with putting particular items into the Icebox? It's really difficult. If you have a massive backlog, it sounds like there's a bit of a miscommunication between the project owner and the project manager. So a huge backlog indicates the project owner, they don't have any understanding of your team's capacity, and they're not afraid to drown the project manager in tasks, and it's not a good way to work. So you really want to get your project owner to align with your project manager and understand the more tasks that you pile into this backlog or Icebox, the more pressure there is and the less that actually gets done. It can be quite suffocating. In order, as somebody that has been a project manager for hundreds of projects, it's really important that you shield the operators and the producers, and keep them away from the pressure of a huge impending list. Just get them focused on their list. Even if you have to create 6 other columns to the left, it looks ridiculous, but the point is that you just want them to focus on just their items, consumable tasks there, rather than a giant list of 150 things. It really is quite daunting and can really erode the satisfaction people get from finishing tasks and doing really good work. Conversely, talk to your project owner, be it a client, business owner, or high-up manager. Talk to them and say, I don't think you understand that the capacity of the team. Your roadmap's so long that we're not even going to get through 6 months worth. You've got 2 years of roadmap on here. They're not going to get done.